Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making a Yelp account and verifying your email so you can register an app. Once done, decide the app name and a concise use case. That description speeds approval and clarifies rate expectations. Make sure to note a test business or search query you'll use for validation. Also prepare contact info and a simple README that explains your app. This makes filling developer fields quick and accurate and prevents delays during registration. You now register the application on the Yelp developer portal, filling the required fields carefully. Describe how you'll call the API and what data you will store. This matters for approval and for understanding rate limits. Once you submit, Yelp generates credentials linked to that app. Keep an eye on the dashboard for the API key display and any quota info. If your app needs higher quotas, request increased access and justify with clear usage metrics and timelines. You retrieve the generated API key and immediately move it to a secure place. Environment variables, a secrets manager, or encrypted config, never hard-code it. Then test a basic endpoint with curl or postman using the authorization. Bearer header so you confirm successful authentication. If you get errors, check that you use the right key, that the header is formatted correctly, and that your account isn't rate limited. Troubleshooting tip: regenerate the key if it appears compromised or returns persistent authorization failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.